The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Misamis Occidental in Region 10 or Northern Mindanao region. The province of Misamis Occidental has the city of Oroqueta as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 10 or Northern Mindanao region. It is composed of 3 cities, 14 municipalities, and 490 barangays. It was founded on November 2, 1929. The total land area is 2,006.63 kilometers squared or 774.76 square miles. Misamis Occidental is bordered clockwise from the north by the Bohol Sea, Iligan Bay, Zamboanga del Sur, and Zamboanga del Norte. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Misamis Occidental in Region 10 or Northern Mindanao region. The municipality of Aluran with 38 barangays, Municipality of Baliangao with 15 barangays, Municipality of Bonifacio with 28 barangays, Municipality of Calamba with 19 barangays, Municipality of Clarin with 29 barangays, Municipality of Concepcion with 18 barangays, and the Municipality of Don Victoriano Chongbian with 11 barangays. We also have the Municipality of Jimenez with 24 barangays, Municipality of Lopez Haina with 28 barangays, the capital city Oroqueta City with 47 barangays, the component city Ozame City with 51 barangays, the Municipality of Panaon with 16 barangays, Municipality of Plaridel with 33 barangays, Municipality of Sapang Dalaga with 28 barangays, and the Municipality of Sinacaban with 17 barangays. We also have the component city Tangob City with 55 barangays, and the Municipality of Tudela with 33 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Misamis Occidental in Region 10 or Northern Mindanao region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.